how to distribute group funds in Roblox. So the first thing that we need to do is click on the hamburger menu icon here in the top left, and then we'll go into groups. Here we want to find our group and click on the three dots that appear here in the top right, and then choose configure group. Now from this menu we will hover over revenue and we want to go into payouts. Now if we want to distribute the Robux which we have, we will go into one-time payout, and here you will see add payout recipients. Once selected, we can choose whom we want to send Robux to. So I'll do this other account of mine that I have. I'll just click on OK, and this is going to add the person. Now you can distribute Robux by amount or percentage. So depending on how much you have in your current group funds here, you can do, for example, 10%, like so. And we can also do 25%, which is going to be 2 in our case. It's automatically going to calculate it for you. Or if you want to do a set amount, for example, let's say we want to send him 1 Robux, then we can just type the amount and click on distribute, and this is going to send out the Robux to the person. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.